The first thing you need to do is visit the X10 hosting website. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button to create your free account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, username, and password. After creating your account, now log in. Your dashboard will look like this. Now click Add button to start creating your website. Scroll down and select a free plan. As you see here, in free plan you get free hosting plus other services like 3 business emails. This is golden opportunity that you will never find anywhere. Now select the plan, then you will be directed to this page. In this page you will able to get your free website domain which can be monetized. You think it is impossible? Hold on, you will prove it soon. Then select end of your domain, choose one you like from this. I'm choosing elementfx.com because .com sound good to me and I used it even to get approved on a share a sale affiliate platforms. It can also run ads on Adstera and make money for free from this website. Here put the name you like. You can put any name that you think it will be good for your customers, according to your targeted niche, so you can put any name here. You can think which type of your customer are and put a shade name here. For example, you can put online sales or whatever, but your name would sound good because it signify the owner of that website as you. So let me put any name here because this is for training purpose and the name should be in alphabetical order, only no symbol are allowed here. After putting a name, then scroll down to put your password. The password should be strong, which contain upper and lower case, at least one number and at least one symbol with a minimum of 8 characters. Then agree to terms and conditions, then click sign up. It can take 3 minutes until the process is completed. If your choose domain doesn't works, maybe already registered, choose another domain. Okay, let's wait for few minutes for sign up process to be completed. It can take up to 4 minutes for the process to be completed. Okay, it is now done. We have completed registered our domain, which can be integrated to WordPress and able to monetize it for free. Now click on Host Control Panel to continue with the setup. From your new dashboard, click on Account Management. Then click on SSL Certificate, then select Get Automatic Certificate, then check for Let's Encrypted, then click on Save. Then click on Force for SSL. After that you are done. Back to dashboard to integrate with WordPress. Now click on App Installer and click on WordPress. Now let's integrate our website with WordPress and complete the setup. Select your domain and the next box should be blanked. Fill this information. You can see different themes here, but don't select now, we will set it on next step. Now click install and wait for few minutes for the installation to be completed. After installation, now click login to access your WordPress account. Congratulations, this is your WordPress account. You can use it for free. Now watch it careful. I'm going to set up my basic website, which gonna look pretty good. This is how my website look like. You can choose any theme you like to customize your website, or you can choose same theme as I use. Let's continue with some basic setup. We have done to create our website. If you see this video is useful, please subscribe and like our channel.